Good morning, all. In this series of the subject solar energy utilization, we have seen the various types of collectors like flat plate collectors and evacuated tube collectors, and we also seen the working merits, demerits of these collectors, and we also seen the concentrating or non-concentrating collectors, and we also seen the water desalination. In this video we are going to see the heat pump. Okay, so uh, in every household nowadays we have been using, most of us have been using heat pump. uh, Solar pumping consists in utilizing the power generated by solar energy for water pumping, usually for irrigation. Okay, mostly they used it for irrigation purpose. By using the solar energy, the pumping can be made. So solar energy offers several features, okay, that make it utilization for irrigation pumping quite attractive. Okay, so the diagram which given here is heat pump. It's not solar pumping. Okay, so first I am going to tell the solar pumping, and then we can dive into the heat pump. Solar energy offers features like utilizing the irrigation pumping quite attractively. First, the greatest need for pumping occurs during the summer month, where solar radiation is greatest. Okay. Second, pumping can be intermittent to an extent during period of low solar radiation. When pumping decreases, evaporation losses from crops and are also low. Okay. Finally, relatively inexpensive pump storage can be provided in the form of ponds. Okay, this is the overall introduction of a solar pumping. So, the number of recently constructed solar irrigation pump installations are now operational. Okay, the major obstacles to increase use of solar irrigation system at this time is their relatively high capital cost. Okay. If the cost of the solar pump system can be substantially reduced, and assuming the conventional fuel cost, uh, which will be obviously continues to rise, so irrigation could become economical, and increase the use of such system might be anticipated in the future. Okay, nowadays in the irrigation system, most of them are not using the solar pumping is because of their initial cost. Okay, in future, if there is more demand, it will lead to a outbursting outcome. Okay, a solar driven steam engine was used in 1875 to pump water by a Frenchman, uh, and then William Adams demonstrated a solar driven pump in Bombay in 1876. Okay. The best known solar pump plant uh, installed installation was by the uh, Suman Boys in 1913 at Mehdi, a suburb of uh, Cairo, Egypt. Okay. So, as reported by Samu, the Mehdi plant utilization uh, parabolic collectors with 5 concentrations of sunset. Okay. 5 parabolic through were utilized, which was 4.06 meter wide on the top and 62.2 meter long. Okay, this that is a total collector area of 1263 meters square. Okay. The boiler was located at the focal line. The heat absorbs were placed about 7.6 meter apart to avoid mutual shading. So the collector was placed in a north-south orientation with a east-to-west rotation. The mirrors were set in a light steel frame. Uh, the plant has a capacity of 37 kilowatt and overall thermal efficiency of 4.32%. So these are the overall introduction of solar pumping. Then in the next class we are going to see the solar this solar pumping system components. Thank you.